Salute una for outside the country people them. Inside Tori for this afternoon we go take una. We enter for Galim. Galim idena for that side, so for Faro and Dero for inside the Adamawa region. We the hear say people them for Galim, the Vex, the born caterpillar for Chinese work people them. For Sika waiting, they say they so since where the company start for commot gold for that place, they never gain no nothing. We go take una enter for Galim for talk on top the chapter wey happen this weekend. Now so too, Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for this accident wey it happen for that side. So for Limbe for Friday, we hear say at least 2 people them die inside that accident. And Tori too for side for Limbe, we go talk on top this palaver for the new chief from Dame village where they put it on top chair. For people that they know Sabi village from Dame na island village where you must to pass inside water before you reach for there. And we dey here to say police people them for a gendarme from Vogbesi na for Yawinde side. They don't catch some 3 people that they suspect say na men them where they cause confusion inside town. And the cry die, it is also there, plenty that is also continue for crime for Penjam after we Paul Eric Kinge, the mayor inside that town, he died. Latest update for Corona we go talk, and Sabi Seb say the latest concerning die for Paul Eric Kinge according to Wetiwe DO for that side. So for Penja he talk, he say na Corona where he kill Paul Eric Kinge as well the DO don't talk, and he don't give 48 hours for the family for say me the bury inside a Penjam as well Tori. In the enter we hear newspaper them too, we go give them as well they talk for we this afternoon. Big people them talk, in the tell we say when you dey so you know be hunter man, it can be for town, look out, no follow you go for bush. I say when you know be hunter man, it can be for town, look out, make you no follow you for bush. Big people them talk, it come out now for Leonard Yumbeng Idishidon from Bem village, Nwa subdivision, Northwest region. We return back small time. It is salute una plenty for outside the country people them. Monday, another day, number 2 time we dey meet up for Tori house. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for that side. So for Galim, as well as Sabi, na village where they for inside the Faro and Deo for Adamawa. Smoke where the come also for Faro Day, as well as the Siam country people them. Na smoke where the yes na people that where they shidon inside Galim for that side. So for Faro and Deo for Adamawa region, they put some caterpillar them where na Chinese people that they use them for fine gold inside their place. According to these people them, since this caterpillar or Chinese people them, they start work for inside their village, they never get any gain. They the instead can carry na that thing then go. Then the people themselves for Galim, they know the gain no nothing. Now for them themselves the vex, they put fire for some of the caterpillar them with these Chinese people them. They work on top for that side. So for Faro and Deo for inside Galim. And Sabi Seb say after they be burn that caterpillar, automatic it be a call attention and soldier them say they become for that side for start for calm down hard for population. And one of the caterpillar then that way they burn am where they don't already struggle for lost fire where they begin for put fire for day. But as we soldier people them come, they come for can control this population for that side. The people them for Galim they talk say better school they no get even better roads they no get, hospital they no get, water say for drink they no get. But a Chinese people they dey inside their town all time, they the only find a gold come out take and go for their own country where them say they the poor they the go, but they the come out mineral natural resources they we got, it don't give them for them go time. So now why that way the people then say for Galim they talk say they no fit continue for the CD kind of thing where in the past when government don't give power for different country for only for can come out their natural resources, then themselves for inside they die. Better clinic they no get, even small hospital they no get, drinking water, better road, some kind social amenities them they no get them. So now the thing that will provoke these people them inside Galim for side for Damawa for Vex this weekend where it come up for pass. As well talk for now weekend too just finish am for that side. So for Limbe, for my two, now for around that side, normal accidents e be get for pass, but last e happen right for inside town just after big hospital wey motor wey carry cement. We hear say e be lost brakes for that side. So from half mile or from my two side wey be get for Ben, but last na for inside town wey can jam. We hear say e move some two people dem for game, e kill at least two people dem as wey tori enter for we ear. And concerning people that they get caught, we no really fit for count, but as wey tori enter we ear, they dey try for tell for we say if no na so the man e be jump enter, then at least more than two people dem for surely die for this accident wey happen for that side. So for Limbe, but sabi say people there dey sell for corner road, plenty of their cargo dem, the motor e can pass, e chakara all thing for inside Limbe. And after that accident, all man dey ask am, driver e no be go driving school for push that motor for inside bush. Make we hear wetin wey be dey happen.
Down there, for go kill people. Push another for them for enter. You rock and down.
Yes, now the people them that they save instead normal for driving school, they teach people them how will they get for look out people them when accident day, maybe as maybe they coming for even enter for bush. We go come out for inside that accident we carry two people them head go down. We talk on top this other chapter country people them and a palaver for thief for that side. So from Vok Besi now for Yawinde, where gendarme people them catch this 3 men them with the year say they suspect say be so they been active people them for that side. So for inside Vok Besi, after plenty investigate with gendarme, he catch them. So they dey for back counter as we tori enter for inside we hear. Another case for thief people them where gendarme people they only can comot them for hand now after we they do almost finish kill am now for that side. So for inside mile 2 for Bamenda on Sunday where population catch some thief man, then knock and sote they be almost one kill am. Sabi say the people they talk say na boy we don't ever the thief people they don't always complain for that side. So for mile 2 inside Bamenda palava the boy and na so too as we they catch now with some other people then talk say no, they must to finish with it for inside the chapter for Sika say if they levy it go surely go come back. But sabi say as we population knock am, sabi say blood it come out for this man his skin where they talk say it don't thief plenty blood come out for his skin. So the last gendarme people them where they hear the story now them they come carry this thief man where they be already feeling knock am. So they plenty people themselves they want even start kill am before gendarme people they say they come for this. So now for my 2 for inside Bamenda where they catch this one, then they knock am before gendarme people them they go and come for that side as we tori enter for inside we hear. As we talk for now place where they call am or before we enter for this other chapter we go take una enter for inside Ndame village now for that side. So for a Limbe country people them for inside Ndame we hear say the new chief for that side he don't chop chair as we tori enter for inside we EM or maybe we enter we don't surely jump for on top this chapter. Mama team maybe we go back for Garwa, maybe we go turn back first for Garwa for talk on top this fire we catch for some binet place for that side. So for Garwa yes for inside some binet place we fire catch for this Sunday as we tori enter we hear one binet place for inside the big market for Garwa. Now for them we fire cash, but lucky say army rescue people themselves they become now for them we as we themselves they come one time they be fit for lost fire, but sabi say plenty some cargo them day with the burn as we fire it be already boss enter inside the binet place for Garwa market. Now this Sunday with that one it happen for place where they call am say Bamenda country people them with the hear say people there they come up Bamenda by night where they be get for arrive Douala this morning time. They no respect that time for arrival for Sika Palava for road again. Country people them they say as where they reach a place where they call am say Babaju as where they reach for day for 12 midnight they no be fit for cross again. plus the small rain wey e fall place in the kene on top that one plenty hole dem dey for roads wey na the road dem wey normal after wey dem be make deviation for roads dem be get for even level am say wetin make people dem or dey cover the road so that people dey fit pass. So una fit see motor dem wey dey line up, plenty of that motor dem dey come na for 12 midnight. You fit see another one for far away wey e don tight. Motor dem be get for cross by this morning time. Dem will don enter for inside Douala. One day they go Yaoundé. Therefore they already reach. But for Sika say plenty hold them. They dey for roads. People them sleep for that side. So for roads where they fix am as well they won't even reach Babaju side. Now for that side so where the roads it be war. So all motor them where they come up for night for reach for daytime. They no reach the normal time and maybe now only this morning time after we show we caterpillar it go surely go for go help people them. So plenty of the motor them they sleep now only for the place for the roads for Sika say roads it no be there wey no be there for them for pass at all. So the people them they ask even as when governor he say don't send other company them for go help they no sabi why we the war and it the trunk for motor them for so cross particular for place where they fix road for that side. So for Babaju as we Tori enter for inside we here now we enter for this island village. Island it means say na water dey for all corner na the village wey they call am say Ndame wey na this weekend wey pass come the people wey the village people themselves na themselves dey waka inside canoe dey go na for go put wetin go put the new chief for Ndame village on top chair and sabi say for waka reach for day na canoe be the only way and when you finish cross you enter now so for inside bush. So na only water e dey for all corner. Now oga dio sese be dey there oga dio be dey there for put the new chief from Ndame village on top chair. Sabi say people dey be check say they no go ever put chief for inside the village but sabi say lie to lie they talk say even as so the village e dey na for inside water they go so be there. So country fashion first e be start with a chief them sabi say Bota Wovia na some of the places that way they form this island or village or some of the places when Ndame sese e dey under. So as so the here na for inside the island place where they put the new chief on top chair and they don't tell you say make you try for see whether if you develop this island. Yes, if they want go for Limbe they must to enter na for inside water before they cross go for Limbe and they want turn back for their own place they must to enter water. So na palava for talk say wetin except say you get heart when you come out na for come back early or you sleep for town when at night e meet you then you come back the next day. But sabi say when water too e over high for up sometime e dey worry people them for cross for come for this island village as so the new chief e take chair e dey beg to say make e people the way dem don run the village the island village wey they call am Ndame make them to the turn back for inside village so that they go see as so they fit for work and develop this their small island village so that e go be na touristic site too for stranger them for come see am. Make we hear wetin wey the chief e talk for microphone for Davidson Maimo.
We get a problem of we need to relocate and settle in one place because if you live for one place you dey see your brothers and sisters and for them to realize the development and wetin wey I wan beg for government I know say they go hear say make they know say Ndame don't be recognized at them they recognize you. So we go come for their door for say make they employ my pikin them because na my preoccupation dey so pikin the day outside where they get certificate from Ndame then they never get work.
Why you want relocation on Ndame?
I want relocation on Ndame because we forefathers they be come out from Ndame no be na say Ndame no if you be look no be say they no be fit stay from Ndame. First Ndame na say they no be get drinking water and secondly as they be come Geme market na the oldest market for the whole Fako. So now the market that they be use am. They be first difficulties when they come from the end. Sometimes when they meet up storm, they know if you go back. Sometimes they will papa that the one and mommy they be go market when they come to the sink with all the food stuff. So one of the difficulties they get them and they get them. So they be so no fit settle. If water be there, like how things they don't open now, flambo they dey, the fish don't from Ndame. But water no be. No, it be easy for we for settle for Ndame. But all we in Ndame people, any side we dey more come because government don't recognize we. More come, more make Ndame maybe a better place for people. People they be there for island, they see Ndame. It is a beautiful place.
Yes, as soon as I don't hear chief, it talk say this so they get for change their place, they get for change the village, even as so na sabi. When no they so they get for change, even as so they go put you on top chair, get for find another place we all the people them, the fish done, we missing governor, he must to give some land for this village, we na island village for inside a Fako a division. We go take una enter for Penja just now, as so we talk for now for morning time. It then a big cry die, we people then say for Penja, they wake up this morning time, they hear concerning the die for their own mayor, we they call him say Paul Eric Kinge, one sabi say Paul Eric Kinge, mayor for Jombe Penja, they be carry bring out for Douala say no well, but this morning time we hear say don't die, and according to the latest story we he come out for that side so for Penja after we divisional officer for Penja he hold Dongamen, he don't announce say the two way kill Paul Eric Kinge according to he na a corona, and he don't give 48 hours for the family for see as we they go bury Paul Eric Kinge where would the say die body if he don't come out Douala they take him go for that side so for Penja. Make we see and make we hear as the people then cry they mourn their God-given mayor where he just should done for some time he don't go. Yes, mayor winner God give am for them. The same God will give am, he don't take am. So now for them for tie heart. Make we hear some of the people that will be meet up them as earlier this morning with the talk for we concerning the die for Paul Eric Kinge.
Couple more in terms of bad for Pinja, the Papa Ron die, all Pinja they for cry, all suffer for Pinja, they don't finish today. Watching on turn up today, so all you for Pinja, all picking for Pinja, all Mamine, all Kako don't turn up today. God don't take the Papa don't turn back. Watching on turn up for Pinja today, Pinja don't really for cry. All the car with Papa we don't die.
Watching I forgot.
Watching then I forgot. We don't put watching for one forgot. People they want hear family, they hear fan just.
We don't shitty, we don't wake up for month news. We see our weapons are on black. The one house at the top we say we may or don't die. The house I say don't die now, on accident on a witchy. Any man say don't know. All man don't Penja but Penja don't be for die. Penja don't chakala, all man don't chakala for Penja because two we may we talk say we do for we, you know but do. Them say we dey paralyzed, we don't know to talk again. All you don't finish so. You don't finish so.
What you don't pass now we don't hear news.
All we don't for that so no woman we feel for grief say king they don't die because we pray you don't pass away. Say we go see him before we breathe. We don't turn up for African mountain. Say we wait for that we come before we drink. Say yeah na we don't die.
Yes, so don't talk for now. The DO for Inside Penja don't talk. Dongameni be passed this morning and he say na corona and 48 hours. When they don't get him, say may the family he fine and see us where they go bury Paul Eric Kinge. We go take una enter for Kumba just now. We hire teachers technical training college. We na part for university for Boya since we they open them for 2014. He don't get a first ever open door day them. them. We start now with a prayer for them big office for inside Kumbada town. As we tori enter we here with pastor, father, and imam the way they prayer for the school. Sabi say since when the school open for 2014, open door like this kind of one, it never starts. After when they be start for banquet hall for inside Kumba, now so to they come out, they go for outside space. Now for the way they so the school and the picking the way they train them, they show some of the handwork them where they fit for do them. Sabi Seb say the director for higher teachers technical training college for Kumba, where he be part for University of Boya, Professor Akume Daniel Akume. He don't talk for business people them. Say me they come join hand, they do combi with HTTC so that things them they go before and them too they fit carry Cameroon go for before. As when Kunkuma talk say 2035 Cameroon it must to go for before. Just now, Corona latest updates will get them for now this afternoon as we John Hopkins University is sending for we for this site. They try for talk for we on top this chapter for Corona. They say 123,216,534 people them since Corona come. Now the total that way they don't catch Corona. 69,816,462 people they don't well. And 2,715,626 people them they already die for Sika Corona. The latest update to John Hopkins University, he give them for this number 22 day for inside moon for March for inside the whole world. Now for Cameroon, as well we show now for morning time. Now for that side, so for inside government technical school for West region. Now for the way picking them, we meet up picking them for outside. All these picking now they see them, they say now their principal, he drive them, say they no get hand sanitizer, so he send them say make they go buy better hand sanitizer wey they sell am for inside pharmacy. But plenty of the pikin them, even as well they go, some of them they try for tell we say they no understand if some particular hand sanitizer they way they don't talk, say make they use am for sick. I say even as well the principal drive them, they no be fit for understand. One he say he don't fair buy, he don't fair bring country own wey they make am for house, he show am they deny, he go buy different one, he show am they deny. So you know be last sabi which particular one where the principal it be one time. So now the thing that we make am as with that picking it be the talk for we so we say after we finish here from picking them, we talk say make we go here say from the own woman in mob say the woman when I be principal, even as we people then they already start talk say make it try for tell we as we go show you microphone. The woman talk say we no sabi we work, so we be get for fair ask na equation before we go ask the picking them. Say what we get for ask picking them first before we go ask it. He say he know the talk no nothing, even as we with the follow he enter for office, he deny say no the talk no nothing. Say na he be get for be first person for talk why wey he dey so he send picking them for outside. No be na so we go here from picking them before we can ask. But sabi say since so this school thing don't start, we work to go for the delegation for secondary education for that side. So for Nkam Manadin, he dey like say don't call my image for that side for Sika say we'll be try for meet up with that woman, the man will be the delegate for that side. He tell we say we never get any hand sanitizer, no special hand sanitizer no day where they don't write them for books, say make picking them buy them. The only thing I say waiting, they must to respect hygiene sanitation, even as when they get hand sanitizer fine, but they must to wash hand and even face mask where they get for all them. So now just some of the thing that now the thing and that all here. So with the wait go happen now for Ivory Coast, even as well they no common number them as well they be do cry die for their prime minister for see people them for they tell we say for Sunday they be get new case them where they get them for Sunday as well. If you read for them they be get some 200 they get 3 total where they be get on a Sunday 397. Now the new case and that way they get them on Sunday. And just for sabi say since as well Corona come Ivory Coast, it don't get total number 40,310 cases them where they don't get the sick since we come, and 36,395 people them where they don't already well from the sick. 220 people they don't die as of the number the way they give it on Sunday, and 3,695 people them 3,695 people them where they day on top sick bed for Ivory Coast. Now just some of the number them where it is so minister for sick people for Ivory Coast it come out like for give you the updates on top this sick sabi say they will get cry die, so they no be get time for put all in them for small so you feel it for the as well the thing the pass for Ivory Coast. For different country to go inside when Nigeria on Sunday na 86 new cases where they be confirmed say they get, and since corona enter Nigeria 161,737 people they don't get the sick, 147,899 people they don't well come out, and 2,030 people they don't already die as we tori enter for inside we hear. South Africa on Sunday as we see now 1,051 people with the test them positive for the corona, and since the corona enter South Africa 1,463,089 people they don't already well, 52,111 people they don't die since corona enter for inside South Africa. And for that side, so for Chad, we sabi say campaign for get a new president. It happen for inside Chad, as so the talk just now. But the story for inside then I say waiting. Idris Deby ignore where it show say na SSL go surely turn again in Shidon on top the chair where it the one a fight for Shidon on top that. It is also continue for make a campaign and for try for talk for people them waiting where it go make and where it go change a country when a Chad. So for tell we say campaign in the waka fine for one end, but for the other end for Chad we see I'm saying a waka for vex it happen for inside Chad day as way Idris Deby it make a campaign for one end, for the other end as way Tori enter for we here na only waka for vex it happen for that side. So for Chad as way Tori enter for inside we here on top these people them where they make waka for vex for inside Chad day. But just now sabi say them they want and say make Idris Deby ignore it come up for chair say Ido over Shidon on top chair. So now some of the people them this where they make their waka for vex for say make Idris Deby it come out on top chair as we Tori enter we here. Make we enter for newspaper direct for talk as we newspaper then say they see Tori them as we say we see inside Horizon they talk for we as we at Horizon newspaper a glad in number 15 anniversary born day 12 Cameroonian they say they don't get plenty awards and even money as we Horizon they talk for we. SDF Littoral it don't come out Honorable O.C. Joshua for their party as we if you read them too. Samuel Eto'o too where they don't give honorary doctorate degree for France if you will read that chapter, and other to read them if you read for Horizon newspaper. Another newspaper for outside today na the Star. Inside the Star they try for talk for we as we dey so the thing way dey for back we no sabi concerning this help from Kunkuma. The Star newspaper it come out you go read Tori 2 where it concern a court case a result where go come out for number 14 day for court for first instance now which a court case that where people they wait am over you feel read them for inside the Star newspaper where it come out this Monday. Another newspaper na the Median. Inside the Median they talk as we dey so Nkunkuma it don't so left people them where it dey so people they no even want for year on top chair you go read as when Nkunkuma don't so ignore in lucky ear from people then their call on top Masenya Chifenji and Akabayege Jibril where they don't shit on back on top chair. You go read Tori 2 where it concerns CSPH inside we country as where the media newspaper it present them for we. Inside the Guardian Post where they outside Guardian Post it don't come on now all the old young boy them where they also continue for the lookout we country. You go look that photo them where the Guardian Post it put them and even talk we come out from African Development Bank. The Post where they outside today it get its own chapter for talk for we country people them inside the post wey e dey outside today. They talk as we DDR see na that boys them wey they be left gone with them to the comot again for vex for sika the promise wey governor e never keep am. You go read other to read them inside the same newspaper wey e dey outside country people them. Now just some of the newspaper them that will be fit for touch them, maybe breaking news and Cameroon Insider wey be the part of the newspaper there. We'll surely look on top them when we'll come back tomorrow. Plenty thank you for Innocent Abega we put camera for my before. Thank you too for backside. I want to say big thank you for my Liz and Mama Tida we na day for back machine this afternoon. I need to forget Derek and even the other people them for broadcast we quit Ledu, Francis and even Zeb Gondi way all them na part of the same team for Inside Tori House. But anyhow, they won't be for morning time. We go turn back with other Tori them for this side. Una hold on tight.